Hey everybody, welcome back to Grey County Grillin. I'm Chris, and today we are making some Korean barbecue short ribs on the Weber Kettle. I'm going to show you the entire process from start to finish, and it's going to be awesome. But first, I just want to let everyone know that I have started a Patreon, and you can find the description, or the link rather, down in the description box below. Please give that a look and consider giving me your support. That would mean the world to me. Now let's get to it. Now we'll throw together the marinade for our ribs. I did find a pretty traditional Korean recipe, but I don't have all of the parts here at home, so I kind of substituted and changed it as I saw fit. So first, there's 1 cup of soy sauce. And then we've got 1 cup of beef broth. 1 cup of brown sugar. And 1/4 cup of rice wine vinegar and 1/4 cup of vodka, which is kind of strange in a Korean recipe. You'd think that'd be more of a Russian recipe, right? 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Roughly 6 to 8 cloves of minced garlic. This is just minced garlic out of a jar, and sure, that looks about right. Yes, we like garlic. And then a teaspoon of black pepper, and also I added about a teaspoon in of 7 spice. And then 3 green onions, all chopped up. And then just get in with your whisk and whisk it all up. Don't whisk it. Just want to make sure you get that brown sugar dissolved and broken up. And that should be good. And I'm going to go grab the ribs and we will get them marinating overnight. So here are the ribs that we're going to be having for dinner tomorrow night. They were in 4 long strips, but I cut each of them in half just so that we could have enough room in the meat marinator here. We're going to take our marinade, pour it over top of everything. And that is perfect. Everything is totally covered. I'm going to put the lid on this, put it in the fridge, and it is going to sit there until tomorrow. So it's the next day, and we've got the Weber Kettle rocking and rolling. You can see there is, oh, excuse me, it's got a blast of smoke right in the face there. We've got some black cherry chips that I've thrown on there just to give a little bit more pop of smoke flavor. And you can probably hear Maddie choking behind us as well. All right, we're gonna get these ribs on. Now these are nice and thin, so they are not gonna take long to cook. I'm looking at maybe 5 minutes aside. That's it. Okay, we're gonna check back in 5 minutes, flip them over. Okay, so it's hot out today, and I left the camera sitting out over top of the kettle, and I got a little warning that said it was too hot to operate the camera, wait until it cools down. So I didn't get a shot of flipping the ribs, but I'll give you a look at them now. And those are looking fan-freaking-tastic, I think. There's some great color on those. We got some good char on the one side. Yeah, so these are almost done. Once they're done, we'll take them off, take them inside, and get a taste. And here is one of the finished ribs. That's how she looks. And as always, Tracy is going to help us with the taste testing and the cutting. Tracy?
Yes?
Would you like to stab the meat? Well done.
You're welcome. Ooh!
Oh, that's sliced really good.
I'm gonna give you a small piece.
Okay.
Eat it quick. It's in his mouth. He's chewing. Oh, that's good. The marinade is sweet. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. Oh, that is very good. Wow. I think we're going to enjoy these.
I think so too.
All right. Well, thanks everybody for watching. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, leave me a comment down below, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification icon so that you get notified every time there's a new video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.